फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
Hello everyone, you're watching Cricket Next Time. Surama Kaushik with match report of Sri Lanka versus Netherlands game. Sri Lanka managed a big win over Netherlands as they managed to win the match by 83 runs. Though it's the end of the tournament for both Sri Lanka and Netherlands, but they'll have a lot of learning from this T20 World Cup. Sri Lanka must be pretty disappointed with the kind of performances that they put up during the entire tournament in the group stage, because they have been knocked out from the group stage itself. At one point, it seemed that Sri Lanka and South Africa might cruise to the Super 8 stage from Group D, but right now, as we all know, it's Bangladesh and South Africa. Bangladesh, on the other side, defeated Nepal in a low scoring match, and Netherlands wanted Bangladesh to lose in the match, and they also needed a win over Sri Lanka. But nothing happened for Netherlands, and with that, it's end of road for Netherlands as well in this T20 World Cup 2024. But talking about this match, Sri Lanka came up with a great batting performance as they crossed the 200 mark, especially the way Mendes batted. Kusal Mendes made 46 runs, and after that, Asalanka, Hasaranga, Matthews all came in and they came up with some handy contributions, and that led Sri Lanka to go past 200 on scoreboard. And if we talk about the finest performance from the Sri Lankan batters, then it was from Charit Asalanka, as he made 46 of 21 balls, and he batted really well and helped Sri Lanka to come up with a good score. So, as I was just talking about, Sri Lankan's performance, all in all, in this match against Netherlands, it was all about how Sri Lankan batters performed. They have now ended the tournament on a high, and it will give them a boost up for coming tournaments, and especially the next T20 World Cup, as they will be co-hosting it with India. So it's a big boost for Sri Lankan side that they ended the tournament on a high, because it was needed for Sri Lanka. Sri Lankan batters were pretty down, after their knockout from the group stage, and they said sorry to their fans for putting up such kind of performance in the T20 World Cup. But this batting performance against Netherlands will definitely give them confidence, because they batted well, they showcased confidence and courage to come up with such performance. Obviously, Gross Island over there, the conditions were favorable for the batters, and the pitch had a lot to offer to the batters, and that's how the Sri Lankan batters took advantage and they made good runs on the pitch. But unfortunately, the same thing didn't happen with the Netherlands batters, because if we talk about Netherlands batters, the openers came out and they had a plan to go all guns blazing. So they started off well, as you can see that the openers, one made 31, the other one 11. But after that, Sri Lankan bowlers, dominated over the Netherlands batters, and Netherlands then were all over the place, as they managed only 118 runs on board while chasing a target of 202, because Sri Lanka made 201 runs. So if we talk about the Netherlands performance in the entire tournament, they managed to put up victories, they managed to bring up close performances, but unfortunately against Sri Lanka, it was a pretty one-sided match, and it was actually decided when Sri Lankan batters crossed the 200 mark, because Netherlands weren't looking that confident. Though Scott Edwards, the captain, made 31 runs along with Michael also made 31 runs. But Scott Edwards' performance was really very crucial, because it came at a stage where wickets were falling from one end, and they needed a good performance. But then Scott Edwards didn't get any contribution from the other batters, as Bastille, he made just 3 runs of 5. Logan Van Beek didn't even open his account, as he went back on a golden duck. So the captain didn't get good contribution from the other batters, and that's how Netherlands went back with a defeat, and Sri Lanka had the last laugh. You can see in this visual, Sri Lankans were pretty happy, because I already mentioned, they needed this win for them. to end a tournament on a high was pretty much needed, because Sri Lanka are a good side. They have done good work in the T20 format. We have seen them, what they do, what they have in them to do in the shortest format of the game, or even for that matter in white ball formats. But in this T20 World Cup, they were pretty disappointing. They didn't pull out good victories, and they were knocked out from Group D. But as of now, good news is that we have got all these Super 8 teams with us. The only two matches that were left to look up for the Super 8 teams were this only: Bangladesh versus Nepal, and Sri Lanka versus Netherlands. And Bangladesh have cruised to the Super 8s. That's that for now. For more details, you stay tuned to Cricket Next, as we'll come up with more interesting videos and live shows. But for that, do subscribe our channel and stay tuned with us.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।